Written by Neil deGrasse Tyson. Imagine a vessel longer than the Washington Monument is tall. This vessel is a true giant of the seas, a marvel of modern engineering that stretches the limits of what we thought possible. Now imagine this vessel can dive thousands of feet below the ocean's surface, navigating the dark, mysterious depths with ease and precision. This is not science fiction, but the reality of a nuclear submarine. These incredible machines are the epitome of advanced naval technology. Nuclear submarine construction is an incredible feat of engineering. It requires the collaboration of thousands of skilled workers and engineers, each contributing their expertise to create these underwater giants. It combines cutting-edge technology with meticulous craftsmanship. Every component is designed and assembled with the utmost precision to ensure the submarine's performance and safety. These underwater behemoths are among the most complex machines ever created. Their intricate systems and advanced technologies make them a true marvel of human ingenuity. They are marvels of human ingenuity, representing the pinnacle of what we can achieve when we push the boundaries of science and engineering. The scale of these submarines is truly awe-inspiring. From their massive hulls to their intricate internal systems, every aspect of their construction is a testament to human innovation. They are essentially self-contained cities beneath the waves. Inside, they have everything needed to support life for extended periods, including living quarters, kitchens, and control rooms. Submarines house hundreds of sailors. These brave men and women live and work in close quarters, forming a tight-knit community as they carry out their missions. They carry enough provisions for months-long missions. Every detail is carefully planned to ensure the crew has everything they need to survive and thrive underwater. All this is achieved within a hull that can withstand immense pressure. The materials and construction techniques used are designed to endure the crushing forces of the deep ocean. The complexity is equally staggering. The submarine systems are interconnected in a delicate balance, requiring constant monitoring and maintenance. Thousands of systems must work together flawlessly. This integration is crucial for the submarine's operation, ensuring that every mission is carried out successfully. This ensures the safety of the crew and the success of the mission. Rigorous safety checks and extensive training are essential to prepare the crew for the challenges they will face underwater. Nuclear submarines are not merely impressive feats of engineering. They are vital assets to modern navies around the world. They play a critical role in global security. Their stealth and endurance make them ideal for a wide range of missions. These include intelligence gathering, surveillance, and deterrence. The heart of a nuclear submarine is its reactor. This technology grants these vessels near-limitless underwater endurance. They can circumnavigate the globe submerged. This makes them incredibly difficult to detect and track. This stealth capability is crucial for strategic deterrence. The presence of a nuclear submarine is a powerful deterrent against potential adversaries. Building a nuclear submarine is a monumental engineering challenge. Engineers must contend with immense pressure, corrosive seawater, and the need for absolute stealth. Precision is paramount in every stage of the process. Even the slightest error can have catastrophic consequences. Safety is also paramount. The reactor, while providing immense power, requires stringent safety protocols. The submarine must be designed to contain any potential radiation leaks. This ensures the safety of the crew and the environment. Integrating all the complex systems is another major hurdle. Propulsion, weapon systems, life support, and communication systems must work together seamlessly. The construction of a nuclear submarine is a meticulous process, requiring precision and dedication at every step. It involves thousands of skilled workers and countless hours of labor, each contributing their expertise to create a marvel of engineering. It all begins with the design phase, where the vision of the submarine starts to take shape. Engineers use advanced computer modeling to create detailed blueprints, ensuring every component fits perfectly. These blueprints dictate every aspect of the submarine's construction, from the overall structure to the smallest detail. The next step is material selection, a critical phase that determines the submarine's durability and performance. Only the strongest and most durable materials can withstand the extreme conditions of deep-sea operations. High-strength steel alloys are used for the hull, providing the necessary strength and resilience. These materials can endure the immense pressure of the deep ocean, ensuring the safety and integrity of the vessel. Once the materials are procured, the assembly process begins, bringing together countless parts into a cohesive whole. This is like a giant, intricate jigsaw puzzle where each piece must fit perfectly to ensure the submarine's functionality. Massive hull sections are welded together with incredible precision, creating a seamless and strong structure. Pipes, wires, and equipment are carefully installed within the tight confines of the hull, each component meticulously placed. Each step is subject to rigorous quality control checks, ensuring that every aspect of the submarine meets the highest standards of safety and performance. A moment of truth, the launch. The launch of a nuclear submarine is a momentous occasion. It marks the culmination of years of planning, design, and construction. It is a sight to behold as the massive vessel is slowly and carefully moved into the water for the first time. The launch is a delicate operation. The submarine's buoyancy and stability must be carefully calculated. Any miscalculation could result in damage to the vessel. The launch is also a time of great pride for the shipyard workers. They have poured their hearts and souls into building this incredible machine. Seeing it enter its intended element is a reward for their hard work and dedication. Mastering the depths, sea trials. This is where the true capabilities of a nuclear submarine are put to the ultimate test. The launch is just the beginning of the journey for a nuclear submarine. It marks the start of a series of rigorous evaluations. It must undergo rigorous sea trials before it is commissioned into service. These trials are essential to ensure the vessel's readiness for any situation it might encounter. These trials are designed to test every system and capability of the submarine. Engineers meticulously check the performance of the propulsion, navigation, and communication systems. The vessel is put through its paces in a variety of simulated combat scenarios. This includes deep dives, high-speed maneuvers, and weapons testing. Each scenario is crafted to push the submarine to its limits. The sea trials are also an opportunity to train the crew. They must learn to operate the submarine under different conditions and handle any emergencies that may arise. The crew will live and work aboard the submarine for months at a time. This extended period helps them to adapt to the confined space and develop a strong sense of camaraderie. They must be intimately familiar with every aspect of the vessel's operation. From routine maintenance to complex repairs, the crew's expertise is crucial for the submarine's success. Only after successfully completing these rigorous sea trials can a nuclear submarine be declared combat-ready. This marks the culmination of months of hard work and dedication, ensuring the vessel is prepared for any mission. A symphony of science and skill. The construction of a nuclear submarine is not just an engineering marvel, but a testament to human collaboration and ingenuity. It requires the expertise of a vast array of specialists. These include nuclear engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, and skilled tradespeople. Each individual plays a critical role in bringing these complex machines to life. The successful completion of a nuclear submarine is a testament to the power of human collaboration. Thousands of people work together towards a common goal. It is a symphony of science, engineering, and skilled craftsmanship. Nuclear submarines are often referred to as the silent sentinels of the deep. This is a fitting title. They patrol the world's oceans unseen and unheard. They are a constant deterrent against aggression and a vital tool for maintaining global stability. The sacrifices made by the brave men and women who serve on these submarines should not be forgotten. They spend months underwater, away from their families and loved ones. They do so in the name of national security. Their service is a testament to their dedication, courage, and unwavering commitment to duty. The development and construction of nuclear submarines have driven significant technological advancements. Many of these innovations have found applications in other fields, benefiting society as a whole. The nuclear power industry, for instance, owes much to the pioneering work done in submarine reactor technology. Similarly, advancements in materials science, sonar technology, and underwater communications have had far-reaching implications. They are used in everything from deep-sea exploration to medical imaging. The legacy of nuclear submarine construction extends far beyond the realm of defense. It is a story of continuous innovation and technological progress that has benefited humanity in countless ways. The future of nuclear submarine technology is likely to be shaped by several key trends. These include the development of even quieter and more stealthy propulsion systems, the integration of artificial intelligence and automation, and the deployment of advanced weaponry. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated and capable underwater vessels. these vessels will play an increasingly vital role in maintaining global security and stability in the 21st century. The construction of a nuclear submarine is a testament to human ingenuity, perseverance, and the relentless pursuit of technological advancement. These underwater behemoths, with their incredible complexity and capability, stand as a symbol of national strength and a guarantor of global security. As we marvel at their awe-inspiring scale and intricate design, let us not forget the countless hours of hard work, dedication, and sacrifice that go into making these engineering marvels a reality. They are a testament to the human spirit of exploration, innovation, and the unwavering pursuit of excellence. They are the silent guardians of our world, patrolling the depths, ensuring our safety, and reminding us of the boundless potential of human ingenuity.